Protein powder. Lose fat and gain muscle. Need to know for what reason to utilize protein powder to get thinner or gain muscle. You're perfectly positioned. First of all, assuming you're doing obstruction preparing exercise, your muscles need protein, long-chain amino-corrosive particles, that are essential for the vast majority of our phones. As the structure squares of the body, protein is a macronutrient that is fundamental for development and fixes, just as keeping us sound. Too little protein and our muscles can't keep up with their well-being and become feeble, going through an interaction known as decay. Why use protein powder? To thin down or acquire muscle, protein powders are a helpful, reasonable, and bother-free spot to begin. One of protein's most significant positions is to fix and construct cells in the body, including muscles that are harmed while working out. Protein reestablishes and holds muscle, and the more muscles we have, the more calories we consume. While a high-protein diet can assist with weighting misfortune, as protein takes more time to process and is so filling. How much protein is best for weight loss? To get in shape in a successful and reasonable way, you really want to get your protein consumption right. Weight reduction is about energy balance. To get in shape, you want to accept less calories, energy in, than you consume, energy out. Research shows that eating protein lessens the calories in, as protein helps control your craving. A new report showed that men who burned through 25% of their calories from protein had expanded sensations of totality and a diminished craving for late evening and late evening nibbling. In another review, ladies who expanded their protein admission to 30% of calories wound up eating 441 less calories each day and shed 11 pounds in 12 weeks, essentially by adding more protein to their eating regimen. How to use protein powder. You can blend protein powder with water, milk, coconut milk, or stir it into a smoothie in perhaps our best blender. You can cook with it. My children love it in hot cakes and sound biscuits. A few examinations recommend that the best ideal opportunity to drink a protein shake is during the anabolic window, the 30-minute time frame after practice when your muscles are fixing and recuperating. The thought is that drinking a shake in this window can help recuperation by flooding the circulatory system with amino acids, which are utilized to make new muscle tissue. Why do you need protein for muscle building? Muscles are generally comprised of protein. They are powerfully and continually being separated and reconstructed, and to a more noteworthy expand on the off chance that you exercise. To acquire muscle, your body should construct more muscle strands than it separates. This implies that your body should be in a net positive nitrogen balance, and therefore, individuals who need to fabricate muscle need to devour higher measures of protein, close by animating their muscles by doing obstruction works out. Which protein powder for muscle building? As well as getting the amount right, the quality of the protein you use is incredibly important. Leucine, a branched-chain amino acid, plays a critical role in switching on muscle protein synthesis. Some foods are naturally high in leucine, including milk, and therefore whey protein, and red meat. As such, research suggests that a whey supplement is better at getting your body to make more muscle, compared to a single plant-based protein, e.g. soy. An example of a great whey protein for lean muscle gain that we have tried and tested is Kin's Whey Less. As mentioned earlier, if you use a combination of plant proteins, such as hemp, brown rice, and pea protein, you will also get all the amino acids found in whey. Therefore, the results in muscle building will be the same. Form Nutrition is our vegan protein powder of choice, thanks to its complete spectrum of amino acids and probiotics, as well as its incredible taste.